Kyrie, I hear you have a presentation. What is your presentation about today?
About this advantages and disadvantages of living in the big city.
Advantages and disadvantages? All right, great. Are you ready to begin?
Yeah.
Go for it. What can you tell me? So how do you feel about living in a big city? How do you feel about living in a big city?
I think it's very convenient because there are everything in.
There is everything.
There's everything in a big city, like shopping mall, stadium, and restaurants that we can eat there.
Yeah, a lot of variety of activities.
What?
A lot of variety of activities.
Yeah.
Yeah, what else? What are some disadvantages that you think?
The pollutions they have. There are a lot of pollutions in.
There is a lot of pollution.
There is a lot of pollution in big cities such as, example in Hanoi, there is air pollution and water pollution in Towick River.
Right, absolutely. How do you feel about like the space?
There are not too there isn't too much space like empty space in Hanoi because the space is for buildings and buildings.
Okay. How about jobs?
Almost every shop because there are many buildings, so the company will like rent the buildings to work to run their companies.
How about the cost of living?
That it's too expensive.
Why?
Everyone wants to live in like the center of the big city, so the cost of the area it's very expensive, and like in Hubei it's about 1 or 2 million per 1 year.
How about education?
Good education.
Education's good?
What?
Can you give an example?
There are a lot of good high schools that are in those are in the tops, like Kinglian, maybe.
Great. Why do people move to big cities?
They want to have diverse employment.
You know what that means?
No,
Like there's many different types of jobs and
Yeah.
opportunities.
higher salaries because
How about career growth?
what?
Like you can like advance in a career?
Advance a career.
Like advance in a career. For example, like you keep finding better jobs in your own field. Like what do you want to be? You want to be what?
And I have no idea.
That's okay. It's impossible to know because everything you think you want to be, once you start doing it, you're like, ugh, it's a
I
job.
think I will think in the future.
That's fine. No rush. What are some challenges of city life?
Limited living space
Yeah. Can you give some examples?
Mm, not so much empty space. And the thing is always like crowded.
Definitely. How about access for physical exercise? Can you go hiking in Hanoi?
Maybe yes, but those are like human made products because they built some like fake mountains in the building.
You build fake mountains inside of a building? That sounds
Yeah.
interesting. Where's that? Dubai?
I just making a story.
Would you like to give me an example? A hypothetical? How about the noise and congestion?
Really noisy.
Well-
Uh,
Do you ever just get sick of how noisy and crowded it is here? I guess you're from here, so this is all you know, right? You always lived in Hanoi your whole life, right?
yeah,
It is the most crowded, noisy city ever. It's like probably top 10 noisiest cities in the whole world.
yeah.
There's like never any space.
The noise from the car.
Would you say you're used to it?
What?
Are you used to it? For example, me, I go to a cafe, right? And everybody's listening to their phone out loud. And I tell people, isn't this annoying? They go, I don't know, I'm used to it. It's
Yeah, I
annoying.
make noises a lot.
It's so annoying. The urban trade-off. So it's like you sacrifice some things, but you gain other things. For example, like sacrifice quietness, and maybe nature, but you can make a lot of money and have more fun. You know, everything in life is a trade-off.
I think sacrifice building for more space to planting trees because the air pollution is very serious right now, so we need to like prevent it.
How do you feel like like cities differ? Like there's different. Some cities are better at some things, and some cities are worse at some things.
Like Hanoi, there's
How about Hanoi versus Saigon?
what?
Hanoi versus Saigon. What do you think? What are the benefits of Hanoi? What are the benefits of Saigon? Disadvantages of Hanoi, disadvantages of Saigon.
I prefer Hanoi
Why?
because the food here, in my opinion, is better.
Yeah, that's true. What do you think is better about Saigon?
Entertainment.
Yeah, definitely. That's a good example. What do you think the best city in the world is for living?
Singapore.
Maybe Singapore. That's pretty good. Why do you think Singapore?
Because the rule there is
The rules there.
there is very like rude.
Rude? You mean strict?
Yeah. They're strict. They will punish
Punish. Uh-huh.
anyone that
Makes the rules.
yeah.
What's the worst city you could live in?
I don't know.
New Delhi? Dhaka, Bangladesh?
Somewhere, some cities in Israel.
In Israel? I think you're safe in Israel, but if you're in Gaza, the country that they hate, you're gonna die.
Yeah.
Right? All right, thank you very much. Nice to speak with you.